lyrical lunatics. It is your boy Scotty Wings here from Australia, and I'll be doing a workshop in Bangkok very, very soon. So let me give you a lowdown on what we're going to be doing. I've been creating, teaching, performing for about 15 years, and this workshop is going to be a little dip in the pond of some of my experience. So grab your posse of writers. We'll be hitting the pages hard on the 12th of November, and we'll be looking at techniques. We'll be looking at how to tell the truth while also making for entertaining craft. And that question of craft might come up a lot. But essentially we'll be getting our pages and our pens working together really well to create some really nice content. So that workshop on the 12th is followed by another workshop on the 14th, but in between that, on the 13th, we have a huge, amazing discussion series where we consider ourselves artists, where we consider this a craft, and we begin to discuss what it means in communities to take our art a little bit more seriously while also keeping it open, keeping it fun, keeping it joyous, and how do all these things intersect. It's going to be a really exciting night that Wednesday. It's probably my favorite thing, just to be able to discuss craft with people. So make sure you're there to check it out and to join in the conversation, because this is your community. Our final session is going to be all about the stage and gaining the confidence to present our words in ways that truly embody and give the audience the emotional impact that they can take away everything that you're trying to say. I'll be using a lot of my physical theatre training in this. There'll be lots of games. It will be really, really fun and really great time for you to get into your body. I hope that gives you some sort of an idea of what we're going to be doing. It's going to be a courageous few days and a hilarious few days. And I'm really, really excited to see what we all cook up. So I'll see you soon.